In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a group email in New Outlook. Now to do this, there's two ways. The first one is going to be to just go to the Home tab and add a new mail. And you can of course go ahead and type in all the email addresses and that way create a group email. You can also add them to CC or BCC if you want to, but of course that's just one way, which takes a bit of time. And if you're doing this a lot of times to the same people, it may be a bit of a hassle. That's why we're going to use a contact list to create a group email. So go to the top left here and you want to go to people where you can see this icon. You want to go to your contact lists over here and then you can just click on new contact top left, or not new contact but the arrow down to be able to click on new contact list. From here, give it a name. I'm going to type in a sample list of people like this. I'm going to add the same description. You can add whatever you want and you can type in your recipient. So in my case, I'm going to add a few. I'm going to do myself over here at outlook.com like this. There we go. I'm going to click on the add button. Then I'm going to add my Gmail as well like this, at gmail.com like this. There we go. And then I'm going to add a different one as well, just like this. Okay, and that's going to work for now. Okay, I'm going to click on the add button and there we go. Then when you've added all the people, you can add as many as you want. Sometimes they'll pop up as well if of course they can find the matches. You can click on the create button and you have your sample list over here, or of course the group. Then you can simply click on the email button over here, and as you can see, you'll be able to email that specific group of people. Now you don't even have to go in here. You simply have to just know of course the name of your list. So if I go to view, or not view, if I go back to mail over here, and if I go to new mail, I can just type in to and then sample, and it's going to basically find your of course email list as well, or of course the list of people as well. Okay, just make sure you actually type in the full name of it like that, sample list of people, and it's going to basically, it should find it. Okay, and if it doesn't, you can just go back and basically try and do it in there. It's gonna work the same way. Okay, because sometimes it does on this button to actually send the email. Okay, so that's how to do this. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.